Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I wanted to test a paper squishy. So I took some paper and I started to draw out a rough whale shape. I actually made mine into a little narwhal as I added a gold horn onto the top of the head and I coloured the body purple. I then went ahead and made the face out of black Sharpie pen and I used another pink pen for blush. I used a white pen also to add the highlight to the eyes because I didn't like where the highlight was located where I didn't colour in. Once completely happy with my drawing, I then went and roughly cut out the shape. I then take this shape to another piece of plain paper. I then cut out both shapes again so that neither of them had any excess. I actually began to tape up the two pieces halfway through cutting out just to make it a little bit easier. Once I had two whale shapes cut out, I then went ahead and placed loads of tape around the outside edge. I cut this around the little curved bits to make it easier to fold and to make it a little bit neater. I went round and did this until I had a little opening at the top. Once the whale was pretty much taped all the way around, I then took some toy stuffing and actually just stuffed it inside of this paper packet. Once the stuffing was completely in there, I then taped up the rest of the whale. Once fully taped and I was happy with how neat the tape was, my squishy was then complete. So I was actually really surprised with how squishy this actually became. I've seen a lot of DIY squishies made out of paper and stuff, so I was a bit skeptical, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. I actually really do prefer memory foam. I do think it's a better material to use, but if you don't have any, paper is a good alternative. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, hit the like button, and if you have any requests, please leave them down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!